Dear viewers, today I have brought on the class for class 6 and today's video number, class number 4, subject mathematics, and today's our topic is fractions. Today it will be introduction class to fractions, and here I'll be discussing all the important things needed to make it clear to all the students. So understanding parts and wholes, master fractions with this is very easily. And this is me presenting the class, Abu Jafar, math educators and content creator. Now, my dear students, objective of the class, what's in it for you? And you see what will you gain today? 1 number point, understand what fractions are and how they work. 2 number, learn the parts of a fraction, numerator and denominator. 3 number, explore the different types of fractions, proper, improper, mix, and I will discuss some more others related with it. And 4 number, discover real life examples of fractions all around you. There are a lot of examples around you. You will know about them. And last one is practice fun and challenging fractions problems to boost confidence. I will include them side by side with the main topic. So define fractions. First, the question is, what is a fraction really? So, sorry, a fraction isn't just a by b. The fraction is not just a by b. It's a story like the numerator tells how many parts and the denominator tells total parts in whole, like a by b. A is how many parts, b is total how many. Like here, you want example, you see the fraction parts of fractions. 2 by 3, 2 is called numerator, the upper number is called numerator, the down number is called denominator, and the bar line, this is mean column or bar. Okay, this is the division sign bar. My dear students, here you can see the 4 types, 4 pictures are here. It is whole part 1, this is total 1, it is half is covered, so it is 1 by 2. You can write the fractions bar like this also, side like slash. This is out of 4 parts, 1 part is colored, so 1 by 4 you can write like, and this is out of 4 part, 3 part or section is colored, it is 3 by 4. So one challenge for you, imagine 5 people sharing 2 pages equally. What fraction does each person get? Suppose you are 5 friends and you have brought 2 pizzas. Now you will get how much portion? So can you guess it? Yes, you will get 2 by 5 portion. Okay, so you cannot cut it exactly, but you will get 2 portion out of 5 portion. Now, my dear students, let's see, write the value of the fractions from the pictures. Here, there are pictures given here. You see, you count the total sections, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you see it is colored 3. So out of 7 portion, 3 portion colored. It is out of 4 portion, 3 portion colored. Out of 6 portion, 4 portion colored. And here you see out of 5 portion, 2 portion colored. Here out of 3 portion, 1 portion colored, it is half out of 2, 1 colored. So what will be the numbers here as numerator and denominator? So you have to write it. Please guess it. Like this one will be 3 by 7, 3 portion colored out of 7. Now this is 2 portion colored out of 5 and 3 portion colored out of 4, 1 portion out of 3 and 4 portion out of 6. You can simplify it and then it is 1 by 2. So my dear students, here you see these are the proper fractions. Now here you can have the mixed fraction or improper fraction. This is this 2 portion full and out of 2 portion 1 portion. There you see out of 4 portion fill up, 4 portion fill up, and here out of 4 portion 2 portion fill up. So you have to guess what number would be here. Here you see out of 3 portion fill up, out of 3 portion 2 portion fill up. So what would be the improper or mixed fraction here? You see first one here, 1 whole 1 by 2. So and then it will be 2 whole 2 by 4. We can simplify it as 1 by 2. And here 1 whole 2 by 3. It means out of 3 portion, 1 fill up. This is 1. And this is 2 portion fill up out of 3. Now challenge, can you write the values of the following fractions? Here you see out of 2, 1. And it is out of 4, 1. It is out of 3, 1. You can answer it very easily, I think. My dear student, now the identifying fractions. Choose the correct fractions for from the picture you see. This is what fraction? There are 4 options given. You have to choose the right one. And here also for this, each of the pictures, there are options given like MCQ type question, multiple choice question. You have to put the correct answer. So first one, it is out of 2, 1, it will be 1 by 2. Out of 2 portion, 1 portion. Second one will be like out of 4 portion, 1 portion. Third one, out of 1 portion, 3 portion, 1 portion. Then it is what will be? Can you guess? Yes, out of 4, 3 portion, out of 3, 2 portion. My dear students, now one challenge for you. You have to find out and write the portion here according to the pictures. You will do it yourself. Okay. Now I'm going ahead with the class different type of fraction. I'm going to discuss different type of fractions. First one, proper fraction. So if numerator is smaller than denominator, this will be called proper fractions. Pieces smaller than one whole. You see 2 by 3, 3 by 6, 5 by 7, 16 by 40. You see always the numerators are small than the denominators. So this type of fractions called proper fraction. Now, second type improper fraction. If numerator is greater than denominator, opposite of proper fraction will be improper fraction. So here, the pieces will be bigger than one. Okay, like 4 by, you see 4, there are 3, 12 by 9, 3 by 2, 9 by 5. So these are greater. Okay, these are greater fraction than 1. Value will be greater than 1 because numerators are bigger and denominators are smaller. Now, third number, mixed fractions, fractions with whole and proper fraction. There'll be two parts. So peaceful union of wholes and parts, you see, like how the mixed fractions here, you see, this is 4 out of 4, 3 out of 4, together it is 7 out of 4. You see, 7 part, and this is 7 by 4, it will be the mixed fraction. So challenge, how do you convert 5 by 3 into a mixed fraction? So it will be 1 whole 3 by 1 by 3. You have to divide the number by the denominator. After that, you have to make the mixed fraction. So it is 1 whole 1 by 3. So there are some more types of fractions, unit fractions, like fraction with numerator 1. Like these are the unit fractions. If the numerators are 1 of fractions, these are called unit fractions. Then like fractions, fractions with the same denominators. Like here you see 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1 by 5. These 5 are same. So these are called like fractions. Unlike fractions are fractions with different denominators. Like if the denominators are different, like 9, 7, 8, these are not same. So these are called unlike fractions. So I think you can understand it very easily. Like fractions, they have denominators same. Unlike fractions, they have denominators different. Now, equivalent fraction, very important fraction. This is equivalent fractions. So fractions that have the same value after being simplified or reduced. So if you reduce or cut the fraction, simplify the fraction, you will get the same value. These are called equivalent fractions. Like you see 4 by 6 by 4, 12 by 8, 18 by 12. If you cut these fractions, all these will be 3 by 2. Okay. So these are called equivalent fractions. I'm going to discuss these fractions, how to make it and how to simplify in later part of the class. So stay with me. So type of fractions at a glance. So I have showed you 7 types of fractions, and here I have made one nice table for you. Types of fractions, numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Definition I have put here nicely with different colors for different parts and examples also. So I think at a glance you can check it properly. You can take a screenshot and you can study it. You can make a note of it, and these are presented very nicely. Okay, my dear students. So you can have a pause and learn it, and you can take a screenshot or write it down nicely. So all the types of fraction I've discussed in my class today, I have presented in one slide. Now, I have said earlier that I will discuss equivalent fractions, two important tasks like how to make equivalent fractions. So by multiplying or divide a fraction with the same number, we can produce equivalent fractions. Like here, an example, 3 by 4. If you multiply 3 by 4, 3 and 4 with same number 2, you will get 6 by 8. This 3 by 4, if you multiply by 3 and 3, same number, 9 by 12. And if you multiply this 3 by 4 with same number, 4 by 4, you will get 12 by 16. So all these fractions you have produced by multiplying same numbers, these will be equivalent fractions. So equivalent fractions of 3 by 4, if you want to make equivalent fractions, you should multiply by the same number or divide by the same number. I have produced 3 equivalent fractions by multiplying same number. 2-number question, how to reduce or simplify fractions. So this is a very important question. Sometimes you have to reduce the fractions and you have to cut the fractions. So to reduce or simplify a fraction, you can divide the numerator and the denominator by possible highest number. This process is also known as the cancelling out common factors. Like here, one example, 9 by 12. So you have to reduce this fraction or simplify this fraction, 9 and 12. So you have to guess which number can divide 9 and 12. So the number which can divide 9 and 12, 3. Very good. So 3 can divide this 9. It is 3 times. 3 can divide this 12 4 times. So the answer will be 3 by 4. Example number 2, 20 by 15. Now, can you reduce this fraction yourself? Can you divide 20 and 15? Is there any number which can divide these two numbers? Yes, let's try. There are number There is a number which can divide this two, that is 5, isn't it? Yes, 5 fours are 20, 5 threes are 15. So this is the answer will be 4/3. So my dear students, this is the way to reduce or cancel their numbers by the same number, and you have to write the fraction. This is the simplified fraction. So today it's all about this class. I have discussed all different types of fractions. I have showed you the pictures. I have given you the challenges, and I hope that you have enjoyed. Keep exploring, practicing, and challenging yourself. It's the key to success in maths. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to YouTube channel. Contact details. This is my number, WhatsApp, and available for guidance, support, and inquiries. So reach out today to solve, learn, and collaborate, and let's conquer math together. Thank you, my dear students, for giving the time. And I think you should take a note and should go through this one. Then you will be happy to answer the questions if you are asked in the exams or sometimes. Thank you so much.